Hello, I am your English tutor, and I will help you prepare for the Duolingo English Test. Let's get started. First, what is the Duolingo English Test? It is an online test that measures your English skills. It tests for main areas: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. You will see different types of questions, such as reading sentences aloud, listening to English audio, describing images, writing short answers, and speaking on a topic for a short time. Now, let's create a simple daily practice routine. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes each day. For reading practice, read this short paragraph. Motivation is a powerful force in our lives. It drives us to achieve our goals and overcome challenges. When you are motivated, you feel more energetic and focused. Finding what inspires you is key to staying motivated, whether it's learning a new skill or reaching a personal milestone. Now, answer these questions. 1. What does motivation help us do? 2. How do you feel when you are motivated? For listening practice, listen to this sentence and say it out loud. I am planning to visit the new library this weekend. Also, try watching short English videos or listening to podcasts to improve your listening skills. For speaking practice, please answer this question in 30 to 60 seconds. What is your favorite hobby and why do you enjoy it? For writing practice, write 3 to 5 sentences about this topic. Describe your favorite place to relax. Here are some tips for success. Speak clearly and confidently. Manage your time well during the test. Practice new vocabulary every day. Stay calm and focused. Remember, consistent practice is the key to improvement. Keep practicing every day and believe in yourself. You can succeed on the Duolingo English Test.